We've all had that experience of looking in our closets and feeling as if we don't have anything to wear. But I would bet that most of us have a pair of black pants and a black top of some kind in our closet. And that is a perfect foundation for a whole bunch of really great looks. Now, mind you, you don't need to have all black. You could have a white top and white bottoms, but the key is that both pieces are the same color. Yes, I'm talking about column dressing, and all we do is add a couple of accessories, and all of a sudden we have a really nice looking outfit. Now, this is a very, very classic look. I've worn it to dinner with my boyfriend, and I've worn it on other occasions when I wanted something a little bit special. But column dressing does not need to be worn with a duster. You can wear it with any jacket, any cute jacket, and you've got a look. Add a scarf, add a handbag, and once again, you have something really special. So get in your closet and experiment a little bit. Pull out your favorite black pants, a nice sweater, and a couple of jackets to try with it. Add an accessory or two, and you're good to go. Run errands, get lunch, go out to eat, date night even. The next super simple strategy is what I call pop of color. You can add a bold color to the outfit, or you can choose something like a leopard skin or a zebra skin or some other color combination or piece that is really going to draw attention. And as you can see, it's the same basic look. Here I've added red shoes, a red bag, and a red beret for ultimate drama. Right now, everyone is talking about the sandwich technique. It's simple. You match your shirt to your shoes. Now, that can be a little bit basic, and it's nice, but there are lots of other things that you can do to just elevate this technique a little bit. You could use a print for the top. You could add more accessories. And you could play maybe with the belt a little bit, but there's more. I like to elevate the sandwich look by adding a jacket or some sort of pattern to the outfit. It just adds that little extra piece to the look that just takes it up a notch. So when we're doing some of these types of looks, think about how you can just elevate it. What can you do to add that little bit of your own personality to the outfit? After all, dressing is about cultivating our own personal sense of style. Wearing all one color can be a great way to elongate your figure and make a very interesting statement. But there are a few tricks to keeping it from looking basic. For example, having this jacket with a little bit of interesting detail, the color being just slightly different to add interest. But no look is complete without you making it yours. And I always take a few minutes to play with my outfit a little bit. Push up the sleeves, add a belt, pop the collar, and see what is going to just add that little bit of extra that makes it mine. Now when you roll up the sleeves, it draws more attention to your waist, and it gives you that really nice hourglass look that we're all after these days. So don't be afraid to take a little extra time to play with your clothes before you head out the door. One of the key ingredients is accessories. And one of the things that I've done is taken some time to create groups of accessories that work together. So I have accessories that I normally wear for evening, and then I have some daytime accessories. And here you can see with this basic slip dress that I've shown in other videos, how you can make a date night look. And then with just a couple of changes of accessories, you can create a look that is more of a fun daytime look. And it's all just with changing accessories. And then you can shift it up and change the shoes, add a hat, add a sweater, and you've got a very casual day to run around and run errands. So see, you really do have a lot of the makings in your own closet to create great outfits that look amazing.